time, huh, Sally Jane?
Yep, a small bag of pretzels and my favorite, cider.
I went with the pretzels and the sparkling water, but it's the same price as the cider.
Next in line, please.
That's me.
Let's see, the pretzels are 89 cents and the cider is $1.97 for a total of $2.86.
There you are. Thank you. See you later, Zeke.
See you in class, Sally Jane.
Next in line, please. Looks like the register is broken. No problem. I'll just figure it out myself. So you have one bag of pretzels and a bottle of water.
It should cost the same as your last customer.
So your total is $10.87.
$10.87? There must be a mistake.
How do you think the clerk arrived at $10.87?